morning, students. Now we are discussing most important reactions, problems, and solutions. It is very useful to coming NEET and mains examinations. Students, remember this all important questions. And now we are given the four options as local anesthetic for dissolving
Question:
impurities in
Freons is used.
metallurgical process in refrigerator in printing industry. The right answer is in refrigerator. They are used as refrigerants in refrigerator and air conditions. The right answer is option C. Here, benzene hexachloride is used as. Here, benzene hexachloride is this is called benzene hexachloride. It is used as the insecticide. It is used as the insecticide. The right answer is D. From given question, a compound A as a molecular formula C2Cl3OH. It reduces failing solution and on oxidation gives a monocarboxylic acid B. A is obtained by action of chlorine on ethyl alcohol. Then A is here given from given data here C2Cl3OH it is reduces failing solution to form cuprous oxide PPT. This is red PPT. It means it means aldehyde group is present. Aldehyde group is present. From above equation C2Cl3OH oxidation undergoes oxidation to gives monocarboxylic acid CCl3 bond COOH. This is monocarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid. It means it means only one aldehyde group is only one aldehyde group is present. From given data, alcohol CH5OH, it is react with chlorine to form CH3CHO. The byproduct is 2HCl. Again, the aldehyde CH3CHO, it is react with 3 moles of chlorine, then the formation of compound CCl3CHO, chloral, that is chloral plus 3HCl. Here, the right answer is A. The right answer is A. Formula. This molecular formula, the structure is CCl3, CCl3, CHO. Here, 1, 2 carbons, C2, Cl3, Cl3, 1O, 1O, H, H. This is structure of chloral and this is molecular formula of chloral. The right answer is option A, chloral. Among the following, one with the highest percentage of chlorine is. Here, the percentage of chlorine is equals mass of chlorine, mass of chlorine by mass of organic compound, mass of organic compound into 100. This is percentage of chlorine. Here, chloral molecular formula is CCl3 CH4. Here, pyrene CCl4 PVC. Here, gamazine C6H6 Cl6. Now here percentage of chloral is equals to here 106.5 by the mass of organic compound is 147.5 into 100, that is equals to 72.20. The mass of the percentage of chlorine in pyrene, the mass of chlorine in pyrene, it is 142. The mass of pyrene 154 into 100, that is equals to 92.20. In gamazine, the mass of chlorine is 213 by the mass of gamazine is 291 into 100, that is equals to 73.9. And this is uncountable because of this polymer. So the highest percentage of chlorine in pyrene. This is highest in chlorine. Chlorine in pyrene. The right answer is the percentage among the following, one with the highest percentage of chlorine is pyrene. The right answer is pyrene. Chlorine reacts with ethanol to give here given four options. Now here ethanol to give here CH3 CH2 OH ethanol react with chlorine to form aldehyde CH3 CHO plus 2 moles of HCl. Here aldehyde again react with 3 moles of chlorine to form chloral CCl3 CHO plus 3 HCl. This is called chloral. Means here chlorine reacts with ethanol to give chloral. On heating diethyl ether with concentration HI, 2 moles of which of the following is formed? Here given options: ethanol, iodoform, ethyl iodide, methyl iodide. Here given C2H5, C2H5O, C2H5. Diethyl ether react with 2 moles of HI. This is concentration gives to 2 moles of C2H5I ethyl iodide plus water. Here what happens on heating diethyl ether with concentration Hi. Diethyl ether react with concentration Hi. 2 moles of which of the following is formed, that is ethyl iodide C2H5I. This is the right answer. Chlorobenzene is prepared commercially by the given for named reactions, that is Roschig process, Wood-Fittig reaction, Prader-Crofts reaction, Grignard reaction. We know that Grignard reaction is used for preparation of alcohols, and this is substituted groups are substituted compounds prepared by this method. In this method, alkanes, alkyl alkanes or aromatic compounds are prepared in this method. Here, Roschig process. Roschig method is an industrial process for making chlorobenzene by a gas-phase reaction between benzene vapors, hydrogen chloride and oxygen at 230 degree Celsius. Now we are right reaction. Benzene, 2 moles of benzene react with 2 moles of HCl plus oxygen in the presence of cuprous chloride to form 2 moles of chlorobenzene. This is commercially prepared by Roschig process. This is chlorobenzene is formed in this method. The right answer is option J. In the preparation of chlorobenzene from aniline, the most suitable reagent is options given: chlorine in the presence of UV light, chlorine in the presence of LCl3, nitrous acid followed by heating with cuprous chloride. Option D is HCl and cuprous chloride. Here, aniline aniline react with HNO2, the presence of HCl to gives diazonium chloride to gives diazonium chloride. It is react with cuprous chloride to form chlorobenzene, and aniline react with HNO2 in the presence of HCl to gives benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is called diazotization. And diazotization, in this diazotization, the formation of compound is benzene diazonium chloride. It is react with cuprous chloride. This is called Sandmeyer's reaction. In this reaction, the formation of compound is chlorobenzene. Here, in the presence of in the preparation of chlorobenzene from aniline, most suitable reagent is nitrous acid followed by heating with cuprous chloride. It is the right compound formed on heating chlorobenzene with chloral in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid is options here given prions, B, DDT, C, gamaxin, D, hexachloroethane. Here, DDT is prepared by heating chlorobenzene and chloral with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, we will see the reaction of DDT. Here, CCl3, CHO, it is chloral. It is react with 2 moles of chlorobenzene. Chloral react with 2 moles of chlorobenzene in the presence of H2SO4. The formation of compound is DDT. It is also called 1,1,1 trichloro, 2,2 bis parachlorophenyl. Ethane. It is also called DDT. This is preparation of DDT. Here, the compound formed on heating chlorobenzene with chloral in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid to formation of compound is DDT. The bad smelling substance formed by the action of alcoholic caustic potash on chloroform and aniline is. Here, aniline react with chloroform in the presence of caustic potash. Then the formation of compound is phenyl isocyanide and the byproducts are 3KCl plus 3H2O. Here taken 3 moles of KOH. Aniline react with chloroform in the presence of caustic potash to forms phenyl isocyanide. It is false smell. The right answer is phenyl isocyanate. Phenyl isocyanate is the right. Given CCl4 and freons, given 4 options, are green compounds because they are green colored. Depletes ozone concentration, causes increase in ozone concentration, have no effect on ozone concentration. Here CCl4 and freons are in stratosphere. It undergoes photochemical decomposition and causes depletion or depletes ozone concentration, ozone layer, which affects human skin leading to cancer. The right answer is depletes ozone concentration.